Applying bass audio effect. Right now in my timeline, I have a audio file. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to choose my effects in my project browser. You see I have a lot of effects. If I go to my audio effects, there's quite a few of them. If you don't know where it's at, you can always type it in the search. I'm going to go over here to my filter and EQ, and here's my bass. I'm going to drag it in onto my audio 1 track. You'll see up here in my effects control that my bass effect is showing up right here. If I expand the boost here, I have a slider here, and I can come over here, and so I'll play this. If I lower it down, and I have less bass. If I move it up, and I get more bass in this method. So you definitely get less bass here, and more bass over here is to the right. So you can apply the bass here on a slider effect while you're listening to the audio and adjust it as needed. Of course, you could just key in a value if needed. So this is the bass audio effect that is applied to the entire audio clip.